Hello student, this is second problem on regression. Find the correlation coefficient and the equation of the lines of regression for the following values of x and y. Okay, the values of x and y are given. Okay, and the number of data entries are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to 5. Okay, so whatever the problems I am solving from the model question paper only. Okay, now the first step is you found that n is equal to 5. Okay, next is make the columns. Okay, suppose you are using the formula r is equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y square divided by 2 sigma x sigma into sigma y. Then we have to make the column of z is equal to x minus y. Third column will be z is equal to x minus y. Then x square, y square and z square. Okay. So how to get this x minus y? 1 minus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 5 minus 3. So this way you have to find this column. And then square the first group, that is x square. Okay. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. And 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. Okay. Now y square. So y column. So 2 square is 4. 5 square 25. 3 square 9. 8 square 64. 7 square 40. And z square is this column. So minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 0 square is 0. 4 square is 16. 2 square is 4. Now add all the columns, summation, that is 15 and this is 25. Summation of z is equal to minus 10 and this is 55 and this is 151 and this is 30. Now find the mean first. Okay, x bar. How to find this? Summation divided by n, that is 5. Okay, similarly y bar, 25 divided by n, so you are getting 5. Z bar, that is z bar is minus 10, summation minus 10 by 5, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, now next step is to finding the sigma x whole square by using formula summation of x square upon n minus x bar whole square. So this formula I am repeating so many times, so you have to know the formulas. Okay, so and this module is very easy. That is equal to 55 upon 5. Okay, summation of x square we got it at 55 upon n is 5 and this x bar mean we got 3. Okay, 3 square is equal to 2. Then summation sigma y square, similarly we can find summation of y square we got 151 upon n is 5 and mean we got it at 5 whole square, we will get 5.2. Similarly you have to find sigma z square. Okay, now all the value put it in this correlation coefficient formula, that is sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y square upon 2 into sigma x sigma y. Okay, sigma x square we got 2 and sigma y square 5.2 minus, and this sigma z square is 2 whole divided by 2 into sigma x, we got sigma x square, right? So root of 2 and this sigma y square you got 5.2, so root of 5. So when you simplify you are getting 0.81. Okay, this should be lie between minus 1 to 1. Now how to find the equation of the regression lines? Okay, using the formula y minus y bar equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x into x minus x bar. Okay, now go on substituting. Y bar again mean is 5 and this r is 0.81. Sigma y we got here it is 5.2, root of 5.2. Okay, upon sigma x we got root 2, so root 2 x minus 3. So when you find the value of root 5.2 and root 2, just divide it and multiply, we will get 1.6306 into x minus 3. So this minus take it to the right hand side and simplify and write it down, you will get the line of the equation y is equal to. Now how to find x? So x minus x bar formula in equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y, y minus y bar. Okay, so upon so go on substituting. X bar is 3 and r is equal to this 0.81, and sigma x again, that is here root 2, so you have to write in the numerator, that's it, and this root 5.2 write in the denominator, and this is instead of x minus 3, here it will be y minus y bar, so y minus 5. Okay, take it, this minus 3, take it to the right hand side and just simplify and write down the equation x is equal to. Okay, so this is the second problem on the regression.